Hey there, little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub, where we're about to turn our creative energies into something cool and delicious. Today, get ready to join me in drawing some delightful ice creams that will make your taste buds tingle. Are you ready? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your markers, and let's dive into the sweet world of ice cream art. Alright, my sweet friends, let's kick off this sugary adventure with our black marker. Our first ice cream is an ice popsicle. Draw a long, slender shape with a stick at the bottom. Next up, let's draw a classic cone-shaped ice cream. Imagine a delicious swirl on top. Now, let's get creative with a watermelon-shaped ice cream. Think of it as a sweet slice of summer. Last but not least, let's draw a traditional kulfi. It's a bit taller and has a unique shape.
Wow!
Now that we've sketched our ice creams, let's make the outlines bold and sharp with our trusty black marker. This will make them pop off the page. Alright, it's time to add some color to our delicious creations.
Cool!
Orange color. Red color. Pink color. Blue color. Purple color. Brown color. Orange color. Brown color. Orange color. Pink color. Blue color. Yellow color. Red color. Red color. Light green color. Bottle green color. brown color, orange color, blue color, green color, yellow color, orange color, brown color, orange color.
Awesome!
As a finishing touch, let's decorate our ice creams with some playful black dots. This adds a bit of extra sweetness to our artwork. Great job, little artists! Your ice creams are not only delicious looking, but also a feast for the eyes. If you had a blast creating these tasty treats, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our next delightful art adventure. Hello there, creative minds! Get set for a frosty and fun session where we'll be drawing some delicious popsicles. Imagine these treats chilling in the summer sun. Okay, it's drawing time. Let's start with our chocolate popsicle. Sketch out the ice cream shape and drizzle some chocolate on top. Make it look oh so yummy. Make those lines bold and sharp, giving these chilly delights a standout look.
Wow!
Now, for our strawberry delight. Draw the ice cream and top it with a juicy strawberry. Give these popsicles some definition. Grab your black marker and outline them. Next up, a lemony treat. Draw the ice cream. Add some zest with lemon slices. Grab your black marker and outline them.
Awesome!
And for our final masterpiece, a watermelon-flavored popsicle. Imagine a slice with a bite. Draw it like someone's already enjoying it. Give these popsicles some definition, make those lines bold and sharp, giving these chili delights a standout look.
Wow!
Now, the best part, coloring. Dive into your color collection. For the chocolate popsicle, dark brown color. Light brown color. Peaches and cream color. Dark brown color. Orange color. Onto the strawberry popsicle. Green color. Red color. Pink color. Light red color. Purple color. Blue color. Brown color. Orange color. For the lemony treat, bottle green color. Light green color. Lime green color. Yellow color. Lime color. Brown color. Orange color. And for our watermelon, bottle green color. Light green color. Brown color. Red color. Brown color. Orange color. Lastly, add some black dots on the chocolate for that final touch. Voila! You've just created a delicious popsicle party. Keep that creative vibe going and stay tuned for more exciting creations on Toddlers Art Hub. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more artistic adventures. Until next time, keep drawing and exploring your creative world. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.